nothing to do now. I didn't show Cold James or Isaiah in a while. Because I'm taking a break from the Love Universe for a little bit. Maybe I should go to my Homeworld. And maybe take a little vacation for a little bit. I don't know. Who knows? Whoa. Whoa. Man, I haven't been here in a long time because I've been busy with helping out Cole and James and everybody else. A port away to the Dream World. Portal to the Dream World. Well, this must be the portal to the Love Universe or Cold Dream World. Backflame? Ew. Okay. Oh, what is this? Lightning bolt. Oh, what is this? Oh, my energy sources? Nice. I wonder what this thing leads up to. Well, of course this will lead into the portal room that I have. Oh, this must be some kind of thing that I want to go on later. Which is a roller coaster. Oh, what's this? I don't know what this thing is. Probably... I don't know what this thing is, but it'll be something for later, I think. Okay, let me get... Here you go. What's this supposed to be? Or leads up to? Oh, what's this? Dead end. This must be some kind of energy source that I have to use to help me control myself later. I wonder what this thing is. Probably just nothing yet. Okay, what else is here? I already looked at everything except for this. James says Homeworld. I don't know what this Homeworld is. This must be the Cole's Homeworld, or I don't know. Cole's Homeworld. Okay. The telepathy. Oh yeah, I forgot all about this thing. Whoa. Okay. Is here like some kind of like beach that I could relax on for a little while? Probably not. Nope. Well, this is sort of like a ocean, but isn't. Maybe I could just relax, wait here for now, I guess. Well, there's nothing I could do for right now. Like, there is no villains. No, nothing I could do right now. Well, well, LightningDude doesn't know that I'm here. So, what can I do to at least get him to at least come with me? I don't know, since I was here first before he even came here. Because he was sleeping in the dream ward. So, um... ooh, I know. He put water on his head. Took some aquamarine gem. Here you go. Maybe that could wake him up. Oh, what happened? Water. Ah, ah. I wonder who even put water right here. If Isaiah was a water gem. Wait, Isaiah is not even here. Isaiah wasn't even here, though. Because I don't have a portal for him, but wait. Oh, um, Isaiah? Where are you? Oh. He must not be here then. Maybe he pulled a prank on me? No, that cannot be possible. Well, I don't know. I don't know at all. Maybe I could put some collected gems. What? What was that voice? There are collected gems. Oh no. Portal jar shop, there is no way out, so I must defeat the collected gems. Oh no. Wait.